Hello and welcome to another lesson. Let's go and solve a new problem or equation. Look at this part, please. So we are going to solve this equation and find the value of x, okay? Look at this part, please. I can write it here again. X minus 3 multiple of x plus 2 is equals to x minus 2 and x plus 3. So I can, multiple these two and together, and this part is the same. I can do this. So let's take a look. This is x2 plus 2x minus 3x, and plus and minus is, minus 6 equals to x2 plus 3x minus 2x, and this is minus 6, okay? So this is x2 minus x minus 6. This is x2 plus x and minus 6. So I can put or I can transfer this part, the second part, to the first part, and so I can write this x2 minus x minus 6 minus x2 minus x plus 6 is equal 0. So as you see here, this is x2 and x2. You can, for example, omit them, and this part and this part you can omit them too. So finally we have minus 2x equals 0. As you see, x equals 0 divided by minus 2. It is 0, and C is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching me.